welcome to another vlog. Come chop food, you see fine babe, of it to just chop the food where you can't chop. Then number me you come out, you say no, you want impress the babe. You can't dey blame me for waiting no be my fault. So one guy come our shop today come buy food. The one fine and she already dey there, they eat food before he come. And anytime when she come like she go eat white soup for shop, then she come carry take away go house. As everything when she dey buy na 9,000 because one plate of white soup na 4,500. My guy come himself na a regular customer him be. Na egusi with 2 meat for 3K na him dey always eat. Me and the babe come dey talk but my attention no there because my dey serve my customers. Girl get up she collect her take away, she won't pay, they go like this. So say man no worry that he's going to foot the bills. Say okay, you go foot the bills. Say yes. So now I give the guy ATM card. Now she carry her food, she can't go. Now she don't thank the guy. My guy can't eat finish and I can't give me ATM card. Say I want my money for inside. I charge her 9,000 plus 3,000. I don't become 12,000 naira. I can't give her now. Say me he put in pin. Now my guy can't shout. Go charge him 12,000 naira. Say waiting you don't chop now I go charge him 12,000 naira. Brother, but you tell me to say you go foot that auntie bills now, and her bill na 9,000 naira. Now 3,000 naira total don't become 12,000 naira. My guy started shout to say I guess sense so. Say when he told saying go foot the auntie bills, why not and say their money na 9,000. Say why he go chop 3,000, then he go pay 9,000 naira for woman. Want to say but brother, why this auntie won't pay for the food where she buy? Now you told say you go foot the bills. So say I asked you multiple times, say you go foot the bills, you say yes. So even though you tell me say you go foot the bills, I'm not supposed to tell her how much you get chop. Okay brother, no verse, yeah, sorry. At the end of the day, he sharp pay me, but he talk up, talk north, talk south, talk west. How much in body? I know this. I say the guy just face me like say that be the girl where he say he go pay for. You shall use the matter laugh. Because like, comment and follow. Bye.